Using a small flat tip screwdriver, we're going to lift up on this gray lock tab right here and then push in and pinch and remove that connector. Using a 10mm socket and ratchet, go ahead and remove this bolt right here. Once we get this bolt out, we're going to grab the sensor I'm going to twist that and wiggle it back and forth while you're pulling it out of the engine. Remove that from the engine. We did apply a light coating or film of engine oil to the rubber O-ring here. That's going to help us with our easy installation. I'm going to feed this back down, insert it into the engine. Line that up. Gently push it in. Get that O-ring to pop into place. Reinstall your 10mm bolt. And when you tighten that down, it's actually going to pull that sensor into the engine to help with the seating of that O-ring. Go ahead and snug that bolt down. Once it's starting to tighten up, just give it just a little bit more, and you should be all set. Now take your connector, line that up, press it down, and then you don't forget to click your gray lock connector here.